the African Pride. Let's get back into the sheen, honey. The mentholated one. You know what? Before we begin, I need a scrunchie. Why do I always forget to bring a scrunchie? Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nishay. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. In this video, I'm going to give you a 3-week update on my mini twists. I will also show you how I maintain my scalp and hair in order to get maximum wear out of this hair. Okay? If you have not already, please check out the installation and style video, which I will link up above and down below in the description box. So let's get into it. I installed these twists about 3 weeks ago, and I'm just going to show you what they look like and how they have held up. So it has grown out, but not too much to where it looks crazy. It just looks even more natural now. It's not tight. It was never tight. Even when I installed the twists, it was never tight. So you see what I'm dealing with. It looks great. I truly love it. And the longer you keep a style in, the more it tends to grow on you. And I definitely feel that way about this style. If you want to get the maximum wear out of any style, scalp and hair maintenance is key. I plan on keeping this style in for at least 2 months. So I will come back and show you how I refresh, how I wash, all that good stuff with these twists. Just to give you a little backstory, I do have scalp psoriasis, so my scalp maintenance routine may be a little bit more rigorous or more often than others, but this is what I've realized works for me and helps keep my symptoms at bay. So I'm going to show you how I maintain my twists. I usually tend to do it a few times a week. Ideally for me is every other day, but sometimes I get lazy. So it ends up being about every 2 to 3 days that I do this scalp maintenance routine, and I do it at night before bed. The braid spray I like to use is the Sulfur 8 medicated braid spray. I purchased this from my local beauty supply store for about $7.50. This stuff, y'all, is the best, okay? I've had my fair share of different braid sprays. I've used the African Pride, the mentholated one, all these other braid sprays, but none of them can top Sulfur 8, okay? It definitely helps in terms of keeping the flakes away and keeping the itch away as well. As always, all of the products I use in this video will be linked down below, so check it out for more info. So first, I'm going to put my hair up. Alright, so I start in the back and I go row by row. So first, we go in with our braid spray. And with the braid spray, I like to spray it directly on my scalp and at the roots where my hair is growing out. I rub it into my scalp and in between each part. Next, you guessed it, my trusty handy dandy hair oil. I go in and I will lightly oil my scalp as well. And I will just keep going up row by row, repeating these steps. Also go in with my moisturizing spritz. If you guys are wondering, this is pretty much a diluted conditioner with a few other ingredients. I realized that this definitely moisturizes my hair a lot better without getting that heavy feeling or application that conditioners usually have. What I've noticed with Cuban twist hair is that when it gets dry, it gets really rough and scratchy and it starts to like irritate the back of my neck. It's very important to make sure that the hair itself is also moisturized. Let's get back into the sheen, honey. Yes, let's get back into the sheen. Yes. And this is the scalp now. You can see that it looks so much more moisturized. Go. That is it. That is pretty much my maintenance routine, like I said, for these twists. I actually enjoy doing it because that tingly feeling, I'm telling you, when that tea tree and eucalyptus hit your scalp, when that tea tree and eucalyptus hit, it hit different on the scalp, okay? That tingly feeling is like that feeling you get when you clean your ears. It does that same satisfying feeling for me. And also what I've noticed is that the tingling also takes away itchiness. So if your scalp is itchy, I do suggest probably maybe applying a little bit of tea tree or eucalyptus to your scalp. That'll help cancel it out. You ain't know, now you know. On the days that I feel lazy and I end up not doing this at all, the next morning I may just go in with the braid spray real quick and just spray my scalp a little bit. Another thing I also do, since I have to do it often if I travel, I also put the braid spray in a travel sized spray bottle. Also with a little bit, I think, of eucalyptus oil, I think, is also in here. After I do that and I'm ready to go to bed, what I do is I just slap my bonnet on. And I shove all the twists in there. Just like that. And I'm ready for bed. All right, that is my 3-week update as well as the how-to for scalp and hair maintenance. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have not already, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless.